First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Now scroll down and tap Reset. In the Reset menu, tap Reset All Settings. You will see information about what will be reset. Settings such as network settings, accessibility settings, and other system settings will be restored to their default values. Your personal data, accounts, photos, videos, and downloaded apps will not be deleted. Now tap Reset Settings. Then tap Reset to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. Once the phone turns back on, all settings will be reset to their default values. That's it. This is how you can reset all settings on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.